Hello friends, today we are going to read Katie Woo, Katie in the Kitchen. Let's start. Table of Contents. Chapter 1, Helpful Katie. Chapter 2, Cooking Up Trouble. Chapter 3, The Ghost. Chapter 1, Helpful Katie. One day, Katie's mom said, I am going next door. Mrs. West has the flu, so I am going to bring her some soup. Can I come and help? Asked Katie. That's not a good idea, said her mom. You might catch the flu too. Katie's dad was in the garage fixing his car. Can I help you? Katie asked. I love fixing things. No, said her dad. These tools are tricky. You might get hurt. Katie went back inside, feeling sad. I want to help, but nobody will let me, she said to herself. I know what to do. I will make dinner. Mom and Dad will be so happy. Chapter 2, Cooking Up Trouble. Mom loves spaghetti, said Katie, and so do I. Katie filled a pot with water, 3 boxes of spaghetti, 4 cans of tomato sauce, and a jar of olives. I think that's enough, Katie said. Turning on the stove is a no-no, so Mom can cook this when she comes back. Now I will make cookies, decided Katie. Dad loves cookies and so do I. Katie poured a bag of flour in a bowl, added 2 bags of chocolate chips and stirred it as hard as she could. Flour flew everywhere. It's snowing, Katie shouted. She wrote her name in flour on the floor. Then she slipped and oops, she fell down. I hurt my knees, Katie sighed. She put a few band-aids. These new band-aids are fun, she said. So she put a few on her nose too. Mom can bake the cookies when she came home, Katie decided. Maybe she can clean up the floor too. Katie called Petro and bragged. Guess what? I'm making dinner tonight. Cool, Petro shouted. I'm reading a great ghost story. I hope there aren't any ghosts in your house. No way, Katie said. Goodbye. The ghost. I am not scared of ghosts, Katie told herself. Just then she heard a weird sound. That's not a ghost, she decided. But just in case, she turned on all the lights. She also put on her mom's robe to make herself feel bigger. Suddenly, a storm began. Lightning flashed, thunder boomed. Storm doesn't scare me, Katie said. She put on her dad's hat to make herself feel brave. The thunder grew louder and closer. Yow! Katie yelled, and she hid in the closet. Soon she heard a loud noise. Thump, thump, thump. It's a ghost, Katie moaned. Slowly the closet door began opening. Eee! Screamed Katie. Eee! Yelled the ghost. Mom! Yelled Katie. Katie! Shouted her mom. You scared me to death. And his house, said Katie's mom. It looks like an earthquake hit it. It was a ghost, said Katie quickly. Really? Said Katie's mother. Are you sure it wasn't Hurricane Katie? Maybe, Katie confused. But supper is almost ready, Katie bragged. I have done most of work. Someone's making cookie, said Katie's dad. My favorite. I'm so glad I could help, said Katie. Just ask me anytime. The end. I hope you love this book, friends. See you next time with a different book. Bye bye.